Hi friends, this is Satyendra this side. In today's video, we are going to cover dual component or dual axis chart in Tableau. We'll be using Sample Superstore and Tableau Desktop. Before I go ahead and create these charts in Tableau, would request you to subscribe our channel Data Miners Hub if you have not done already, and hit the bell icon so that you keep getting the notification as in when we add exciting videos on various BI tools and technologies to our channels. Let's go ahead and open Tableau. I got Tableau 2020.1 on my system. Once opened, I'll connect to the Sample Superstore data source. Once connected, you can see the sheet and different other worksheets out of this connection, like order, people, written in the data source tab. I'll drag orders. You can see the remaining data over here. We'll click on go to worksheet. Once on worksheet, you can see in the show me option the dual combination or dual component chart. These charts are generally used when we want to compare multiple measures on the data view. It could be an example wherein we want to compare profit and sales trend over the period of time. Having said that, I will drag profit as well as sum over row shelves. You can see we got one bar for profit, one bar for sales. Because we need to compare these two measures, I will drag order date in the column shelf. Once I do that, you can see Tableau has converted those bar charts into trend by default. Over here, we need to convert or we need to compare sales versus profit. What we'll do, we'll right click on the sales axis. You can see the option called dual axis. Click on this option. You'll be able to see both the axes opposite to each other. Over here, we need to sync those axes because if you see, you'll notice for profit, it's 90K, whereas for sales, you're getting the maximum value on the axis is 700K. Because both the axes have different value, different scales, you might not be able to compare it in a better way. In order to avoid that confusion for the end users, you can click on synchronize axis. And as soon as you do that, both of these axes will show similar scale here. Whether it is profit or sales, you'll be able to see the same upper limit. Now, it's up to you whether you want to convert the chart type for profit or sales. So let's do one thing. I'll go ahead and convert the chart type for sales, and we'll convert that into bar. Here we go. I can see my profit trend, it seems to be in the back end or in the background of these bars. In order to avoid this, or maybe I would like to have my profit on top of sales. For that, I'll just switch the order of these measures over here, and we can see now profit is on top of the sales. Now, with this, I would like to tweak some of the things here. Maybe I would like to have a high width of this trend, profit trend, as per the sales. In order to do that, I'll just drag size onto profit. Now you can see the trend line of profit got thicker as my sales is increasing. In order to make this chart a little beautiful, I'll just show labels for my profit. Same thing, I'll do it for sales. Maybe I would like sales to be shown on middle of the bars. Would like to show $sign with the sales. For that, I'll drag sales on labels. We'll change the formatting. We'll make it currency and select $sign over here. Would like to show only 2 decimal places or 0 decimal places for this. However, with that, the font size, I can keep it as 7. And alignment can be changed to vertical in order to look little beautiful. Here we go. Fair enough. For axes, I would like header to be hidden so that people will not get confused out of the scale. Remaining information they can see on the tooltip. For my header, I'll do some little formatting like borders and shading color. Maybe I can select like this. Here we go. We'll name my sheet as dual combination or component. These charts can be used anywhere where we want to compare two or more charts, two or more measures in one chart itself. Hope this makes sense. We can deploy this chart as we go ahead. Thanks for watching this video, and don't forget to provide your valuable suggestions and views in the comment segment of our YouTube channel. Until next time, have a happy learning and stay safe. Bye-bye. Thank you.